Hi there, world history. I thought I'd pop in with just a quick video so you could see that I'm a real person. I know it's been since the whole introduction since I've been on camera. I wanted to talk to you about your World War I time capsule project. This is a project, so make sure you look at the project rubric, okay? And this will take you a little bit of time. So you're pretending to be a character from World War I. You can be a soldier, a nurse, or a civilian. It's completely up to you which one you would choose. And you're going to create a time capsule to capture your experiences during World War I for the future generations. Your time capsule must include all of the following for minimum requirements, okay? 6 artifacts that you saved from the war, so these can be newspaper clippings, war posters, photographs, maps, tools, uniforms, medals, other keepsakes, etc. Each artifact must be cataloged with a brief description on an index card or in a journal, book, or whatever creative manner, including the meaning, the use, whatever you use that artifact for, its importance or significance, and why you saved it. For example, if you use a newspaper clipping, you might include a brief description of the story it contains, where you got it from, and why it was important enough to include in your time capsule. You will then also have 3 diary entries or letters written as your character during the war, and your diary or letter must be at least include 15 slang words from World War I. Each letter diary entry must be a minimum of 3/4 page in length and use an average of 5 slang words per entry. So refer to the handout that I have connected to this as well. Okay, and then you want to have a timeline chronicling the events that you found most important before, during, or after the war. Because you could do all of it. The timeline must include at least 5 events that you thought were most significant, as well as a minimum of 3-sentence description for each event. Please make sure all this is in your own words. Summaries are important, okay? And then all of the following must be in a time capsule. You can do really a couple different ways. The time capsule can be in a wooden box, could be a storage container, a coffee can, scrapbook, metal box, whatever, or you could do it in that's like if you want to do a physical one, or you could do it in a virtual way. So with a PowerPoint, a Prezi, etc. Okay, so you could do it in whatever way you want with that. All the time capsule containers must be decorated, or you must have decorated the front page of your online time capsule. So get some pictures and stuff together for your introductory page. Okay? Please let me know if you have any questions. I can't wait to see these. These are some of my favorite things to grade because they're sometimes you guys just amaze me with the stuff that you come up with. So let me know again any questions, and I can't wait. Thanks, guys.